Hello, hello, hello. It's Siobhan with Siobhan Sells Homes. My McDonough, Georgia listing is closing tomorrow, so I'm here to uninstall my sign and head to the closing table tomorrow. The buyers are doing a final walkthrough today, so I'm going to take a quick peek in the house and make sure the home is final walkthrough ready. My seller has done a great job making sure the home is going to be left impeccable, so I'm sure that everything is all good, but just want to put eyes on it, do my due diligence. That's it. All right, so listen, I could not get that stake up out of the ground. It was giving me a fit, so I'm gonna leave it for my husband to come back and get it either tonight or in the morning because it is in the ground. We put the mallet to that thing when we installed it, so it is deep in the ground. So I'll get that done later. My allergies are going crazy. Pollen is bad. So got my sign, got everything else to walk through. Looks good, so we're all set. Now I'll do the same thing, rinse and repeat at the listing that I have in West Palm Beach, Florida next week. So that one's closing soon as well. So day in the life of de-installing my signs from the listings. But listen, if you are looking to buy or sell, contact me. I'm Siobhan with Siobhan Sells Homes, 404-218-9089. Have a great day.
It's Siobhan, she sells homes. She sells homes. She sells homes. It's Siobhan, she sells homes. She sells homes. She sells homes. It's Siobhan, she sells homes.